guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, it is the evening time and the sun is really high now to get set off. So yeah, I'm just going to make some tea or coffee for myself with some cheese cracker, and after that we will go outside to buy some grocery because we are out of groceries and I need to get it. And I'm just watching my plants, they are blooming and I love seeing them fresh and active. And yeah, let's just show you how they are happy and joyful. Hi. Hi. Hello. I need to clean his water. He actually make the water bad and dirty really easily and making me to clean it properly. Hey guys. So I thought of doing a facial or face cleanup in home right now because it's been really long. I have not did it or focus in my skin because it is already looking a little dull or tan right now because I'm going out for giving my exams, interviews and for other stops. So it's been really very a rigorous time, past 2 months. So I have some ready to use instant result facial kits with me. I recently a month ago collaborate with NaturesEssence. If you have seen that video, I will going to link their channel and my video in the description box. Please go and check it out. So I really love the concept of their facial kits, and also I will do it now too and give you the result. And you can see my skin looking a little dull right now, and we will see the before and after transformation. Although you have to do this thing in a continuation process in a week or within 2 weeks, but I don't do it because I don't have that much of time left with me to do it. But yeah, I'm focusing now in these things. And yeah, I will just show you what it is. Actually, this is what I'm talking about. So I am going to use this NaturesEssence diamond brightening facial kit. So it comes with this 4 step, that is first the cleansing, then the nourishing, then a face mask, I hope you can see it, and a cream or moisturizer. But the hero part of this facial kit is that it comes with an D10 therapy, that is an wipe up mask. Let me talking about this one. So this is their pre-facial prep. So you just have to apply it into your skin, give it a good massage and let it stay for some minute. Then you just wipe it out with some wet wipe or tissue or a wet cloth. And after that, the 4th step. So yeah, so this is what we are going to use. So yeah, let's get started with the things. So I am going to use this what is this is their pre-facial prep, and in back side you can see the kitchen and the cylinder, but you can totally just ignore it if you want to, because this is real life, guys. So yeah, let's just use it. And the best part is that it comes with a really very cheap it comes with a very really affordable rate, and also everything, the direction is in the packaging, so you can just follow that instruction and just go with the flow. To apply thick layer of this D10 therapy wipe off mask over the face and neck, leave it for 15 minutes, massage the mask into the skin for 2 minutes with a gentle circular motion, and wipe off the mask with a wet tissue or cotton, and revealing visible brighter and glowing skin. Yeah, that is interesting. So let's just start and do this. Let's just apply it all into my skin, and it comes with a pretty good quantity though. You can use it for 2 to 3 uses. It will run, because I have used it twice and still a lot of product is there. And one thing that I want to tell you, that this is an unisex product. Men can also use it. So if you want to gift to your boyfriend, husband, brother, father, cousin, friend, you can absolutely go for it. And yeah, I have used it in my elder brother's face, and yeah, I'm going to leave it for 15 seconds, and then we will meet with doing massage into our skin. So yeah, 15 minutes is complete, guys, and now we all have to do is massage the face in circular motion. Carrying forward the further process of the facial. Guys, this is it. I completed my face care, and still these areas are wet now. So I just clean up the face pack, and now I'm going to apply the last step, that is the face cream that comes with the entire kit. And yeah, you can see my skin is looking little active, little refreshed, and waked up. So I love it how it feels. It feels really soft, dewy, and milky. I just love it. Last This is what I do every single evening when I make some tea. I have some little snacks for myself. So yeah. besides this cheese cracker, I actually don't have anything to have a side food or snack to eat with my evening coffee. So I'm taking this. This is one of my most choice snack or sweet I love to have. So yeah guys, this is what pretty much my evening snacks look like. A cheese cracker and my coffee.